If we look at the radio propagation and environment, and this comes from many questions we've had over the years, we're going to discuss rain at some point. People always wonder about trees, foliage. Of course, this is the nice situation where you've got a guy standing outside and he's got line of sight. And then what you typically find is if a guy's inside a building or inside a house, the signal will drop very rapidly. And we find that drop that you get, that you see over there, roughly about 16 dB in total. It was not only a drop in signal in terms of penetrating, it's also a lot of multipath, because the higher frequencies will pass through the windows, doors, and so forth, but they will reflect and, in a sense, make the reliability of a connection with antennas indoors very bad. So getting outdoors, certainly in these cases, is a massive, massive advantage.